Your LinkedIn profile is your digital business card, a snapshot of your professional life. You are making a big mistake if your LinkedIn profile is not designed properly. When it comes to making a first impression, your profile picture speaks volumes. Choose a clear, professional headshot with a simple background. Remember, it's your face that should shine, not your scenery behind you. Moving on your headshot, don't just settle your job title. Use this space to showcase your professional identity, key skills, or unique value propositions. Customize your banner is another way to stand out and reinforce your brand. This free feature allows you to create a visually appealing backdrop that sets the tone of your profile. Showcasing your current employer and mentioning your website can further enhance your profile visibility and credibility. Utilizing LinkedIn's featured section to highlight your best work and leveraging analytical tool to track your profile's performance are valuable strategies for optimizing your presence on the platform. Creator mode and the open to work feature are additional tools that can help boost your visibility and connect you with relevant opportunities. When it comes to content creation, using relevant hashtags and carefully crafting your post can increase your reach and engagement. Your LinkedIn profile is your marketing document. Take the time to design it thoughtfully and strategically to make the best impression possible.